Now we are getting into something very, very interesting. 1 second. Yeah. Guys, there is something you guys have come across in your daily life. The numbers infinity, the number 1 by 0, the term undefined. Can someone tell me the difference between 1 by 0, infinity, undefined? What is your understanding of this? Anyone?
Sir, undefined means minus or under 0. Is it like that?
Okay, okay. I want your answer, no problem. So, is 1 by 0 infinity or is 1 by 0 undefined?
I think it's undefined from my end.
Pragya, what do you think? Yes, Pragya.
Defined, sir.
Pardon?
Defined.
You're saying 1 by 0 is defined.
Yes, sir.
First, let me just explain the concept, then let's go beyond our normal class. This exercise is very simple. I don't care about that. Yeah. Now look at this. Guys, do you know the concept of multiplicative inverse?
Yes, sir.
Give me an example, Jaldi.
I don't know, sir.
An example, can I please give?
Yeah,
Like,
give me an
as if 3 upon 6 is multiplicative inverse will be 6 upon 3.
Basically, multiplicative inverse is that number which on multiplying you are getting 1. As simple as that. What is the multiplicative inverse of 3? Reciprocal. What is 3
1
into
upon
1? For whoever who does not know what multiplicative inverse is, it is as simple as that. I take a number, I'm going to take the reciprocal, and when I multiply it, I'm going to get 1. Clear, guys? No doubts?
No, sir, that's not clear. I didn't understand what is multiplicative.
Yashika, you have a doubt? Yashika, listen. There is a number 3. What is multiplicative inverse? What is inverse ulta? Correct? What is ulta? That means the reciprocal. 3 is in the numerator. It has to go into the denominator. 1 by 3. What is 3 into 1 by 3? 1. Multiplicative inverse is of a number is that number which on multiplying you get 1. Is it clear now? Any doubt? Yashika, are you clear? For example, 4. What is the multiplicative inverse? 1 by 4. Why? Because on multiplying 4 into 1 by 4, you get 1.
Sir, that means if 6 into 1 by 6 is equal to 1?
Yeah, obviously. 6 into 1 by 6 is 1.
Okay, sir.
Cancel, right, Sita? Cancel. Cancel. Or as someone gave me this example, 3 by 6. What is the ulta of 3 by 6? 6 by 3. That is the multiplicative inverse. When I multiply, 3 cancel, 6 cancel. I am getting 1. Or 18 by 18, which is again 1. That is basically the concept of multiplicative inverse. Correct?
So it is reversed?
Yeah, a number is reversed. The reciprocal basically.
Yeah.
Correct? What is reciprocal? The numerator goes into the denominator. Now I have a trick question for you guys. What is the multiplicative inverse for 0? Unmute. Speak.
0.
Multiplicative inverse for 0 of 0. What is the multiplicative inverse of 0?
Sir, I think it's 0 only.
0 by 0?
What was the multiplicative inverse of 3? What did we do? Reciprocal. 1 by 3 correct?
Sir, 1 by 0.
Yeah, correct. 1 by 0. Correct?
1 by 0 is possible?
Listen. This is where it gets very tricky. Don't worry about it. What was the funda of multiplicative inverse, guys? When we take the multiplicative inverse and we multiply it by the given number, the answer was always 1. Correct? In each case, we got 1. Right? But what is 0 into any number, guys? What is 0 into any number?
0.
Sir, the question is not clear.
Pardon?
Sir, the question is not clear.
My question is 0 is a number. The multiplicative inverse of 0, according to what we have understood in the previous examples, is 1 by 0. Correct? Clear? What is 0 into 1 by 0 is my question. When I multiply the number by its multiplicative inverse, I have to get the answer 1.
No, but in zero's case, I think it may be 0.
Correct. But what have we studied? Any number. 0 into any number is 0. That is what we have studied. So according to our logic, 0 by 1 by 0 is nothing else but 0.
Yes, sir, it's
Correct?
0. Yeah.
Correct. But it is not making sense. You have a question mark in your head over here. Correct? This basically means that the number 0 has no multiplicative inverse. Because if it had a multiplicative inverse, we should have got the answer 1. But 0 into any number is 0, right? So the number 0 itself has no multiplicative inverse. Is it very clear?
Yes.
Is this tricky part clear?
Yes.
When what we're talking about when we say division by 0 is
So
that...
it's the answer पहले only.
Pardon?
I said.
Your voice
I
is
thought
breaking.
it was 0.
Can you
I thought
repeat?
it was 0 because like we have to find the reciprocal. So I don't think 0 generally doesn't have many of those additive inverse, and additive inverse also doesn't have, I think. So I thought even multiplicative inverse is good.
Yeah. So are these two fundas clear? Are these two statements
Yes,
clear?
sir.
This is the logic. Okay. Abhi, what I'm trying to say is basically when I have any number and I multiply it by 0, I get the answer as 0. Clear? Is this clear? The basic funda is that the number 0 has no multiplicative inverse. Now, guys, what is 10 by 10?
1.
1. What is 10 by 8?
5 upon 4, which is 1 upon 4.
Correct? What is 10 upon 6?
5 upon 3, which is 1 2 upon 3.
Sorry. Five and 3. 5 divided by 3. 5 divided by... Wait, what did it do? 10 by 8. 10 by 6. Okay. Let me keep decreasing it. One second. Let's go to 10 by 5. 2. 10 by 6. 5 by 3. 10 by 4. 2.5. 10 by 3. 3.33. 10 by 2. 5. 10 by 1. 10. Okay. So what do you observe? As the denominator is decreasing,
So as the denominator is decreasing, the so
right.
I'm not quite sure, but can I try?
Yeah, you're right. If the denominator is decreasing, what is happening?
The decimal is increasing.
Exactly. The value is increasing. 1 to 1.25 to 2.5, 3.3, 5, 10. Correct? Is the observation clear? Now, division by 0 is nothing else.
No, sir, can you please repeat what you are meaning here?
I've just written random numbers to see a pattern. 10 by 10 is 1. 10 by 8 is 5 by 4, that is 1.25. 10 by 6 is 5 by 3. 10 by 5 is 2. 10 by 4 is 2.5. I've just divided. 10 by 3 is 3.33. 10 by 2 is 5. 10 by 1 is 10. As I am decreasing the denominator, my quotient is increasing. Correct? Basic observation. Clear? Okay, everyone. Okay. Yes, is what you guys said. Division by 0 is simple. When there is a number and I multiply it by 0, the answer is 0. But when I have a number and I divide it by 0, it is undefined. Say I have 6 chocolates and I have 3 people or 3 children. One child is going to get 2 chocolates. Correct? Now if I have 6 chocolates and I have 6 children, one child is going to get 1 chocolate. But what if I have 6 chocolates and I have 0 children? Can I define the distribution? Can I define how I am going to distribute the chocolates? When there are no children only, can I define it?
Hello, sir. Can you please repeat? I was just
Let me take over.
sign up, so I was not able to hear the class.
Listen, basically I have 6 chocolates. Okay, I have 3 children. Okay, so how much does each child get? 6 by 3. 2 chocolates. Very clear. Now say if I have 6 chocolates and I have 6 children, how much does each child get? 6 by 6, he gets 1 chocolate. Now what if I say I have 6 chocolates but I have 0 children, guys? I have no children to distribute. Can I distribute it?
All 6 chocolates are left.
Exactly. That means the distribution is not defined. I cannot define how many children, how many chocolates, who's getting what when the denominator is 0. That is the reason when any number divided by 0, it is undefined. Do you understand with the help of a simple real life example? No mathematical operations, no 1 by 0 excess proving. Let's see if we do it in the next class. But now let's understand the logic behind it. When we don't have a denominator, it is undefined. As simple as that. Is it clear, guys? Is the logic clear? Division by 0 is nothing else but this. When you have a number, it's divided by 0, it is undefined. Is it clear? No doubts. Our concept is done here. We just have 2 problems.
Sir,
Yes,
I
yes.
was asking you. Sir, I was asking you.
Tell me what your doubt
What
is.
do you mean by upon math?
Pardon?
You were saying something about 6 upon 1 and it. I didn't understand.
Okay. What I'm trying to say is, Yashika, we have 6 chocolates. Okay? And we have 6 children.
Sir,
My
I'm
question-
not. Sir,
Yes?
that's not what I got. That's not my doubt. I was asking you about what do you mean by 6 upon 1?
What I mean by 6 upon? Your voice is not clear, Yashika. What do I mean by 6 upon? Type it in if I can't hear you. Type what your doubt is. Are the others clear with it? I'm just waiting for Yashika. Let's clear it out in 1 minute and then let's move on to our problems. Okay, chalo. Till she answers. Jaldi, 1 minute guys. Very simple.
Sir, can I answer?
Yeah.
Sir, B and C is the answer.
Right. Anyone with any different answers? Yashika says, sir, what do you mean by 6 upon 1 by 1 by 2?
Sir, please show the screen.
Yeah. Yashika, is this what you're asking? 6 upon 1 by 2? Or are you asking number divided by 6 is 0 oblique 1 oblique 2 oblique 3 oblique 4 oblique 5? Is it this that you're asking or is it this?
So 6 upon any number, what do you mean by that?
I said 6 upon 0. 6 upon any number can be solved.
Yeah.
What is 6 divided by 0.5? It is 12. How? Denominator goes into the numerator.
Sir, I have a different answer.
Yes?
So the answer is actually B, C, and also D.
Sir, mine I have said that is B and C.
So
Well,
basically, if
D.
we multiply any number by 0, even 0, we will get the answer as 0 only.
We will get the answer as undefined. That is what I just explained. Any number divided by 0 is undefined. It cannot be defined.
So, sir, my answer was correct.
Yes, B and C is correct. Option B and option C. Hello, last problem for you guys. Very simple. Substituting the values.
Sir, what this actually mean? Can you please tell what we have to do in this problem?
Remember about our previous session, there were 3 values and we just have to check which ones it satisfies. I think this is a repetitive problem, I'm not sure. I think they just changed the properties of subtraction. Plug in the values of A, B and C, solve and check which one satisfies.
Sir, is it A and B?
A and B. What about C?
I don't think it's C.
Check. But is there an option that says A and B only? Think logically, if there are 4 options, 2 of them are correct and you have a choice which says all of these, that means the third has to be correct if B and C is not an option. Anyone with an answer?
Sir, my answer is all of this.
Okay, anyone with any other answers?
Sir,
Let me, one second. I'll share the screen. 1 second, guys. Yeah.
sir, I cannot see the screen.
Can you see the screen now?
No.
Can you or can't you, Yashika? Anyone with any other answers? Very simple, jaldi. All of these is the right answer. Okay, so it's very simple. Let's take option A. 73 minus 49 minus 16. Check whether it's equal to 40 or no. 73 minus, what is 49 minus 16? 33. 70 minus 33 is 40. LHS is equal to RHS. Option A holds true. What about option B? 73 minus 49 minus 16, whether it's equal to 8. Solve this. Carry 4, 2. 24 minus 16 is 8. 8 equal to 8. LHS equal to RHS. Very simple. That's the reason I'm going fast. What about the third option? A minus B minus C. 73 minus 49 minus 16 is not equal to 73 minus 49 minus 16 is. Obviously, they do not look equal right away. 49 minus 16, 3. 73 minus 33 is 40. 73 minus 49 is 24 minus 16 is 8. They are not equal. That is what he says in the question. A, B, C. That means the answer is all of these. That is, all of these conditions are true. Is it very clear, guys? I did really fast because it's just calculated. Anyone with any doubts over here? Yes, all of these. Everyone clear? Chalo, done. Let's end the session here, guys. Have a great day. We're done with our whole... Pardon?
Shall we leave if we have no doubt?
Yeah, please. If you're done, we're done with the session. Thank you.
Where do we get the recording?
Maybe next class I will take 1 by 0 and number by 0 a little higher and kind of try confusing you guys and making things even more clearer actually.
Sir, next class, will you clear that exam problems?
Which problem? Exam. Okay, let's see. Let's see if time and schedule permits. Then let's see if we can do that.
Okay.
Any number divided by 0 is equal to 0. Correct. 0 by anything is 0. But correct. What you're saying is right. Yeah. But
Thank you, sir. Have a